Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your homeowner's insurance with AmFam, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your homeowner's insurance with American Family Insurance, follow these steps. Start by gathering all relevant information about your current policy. Review the coverage limits of your existing homeowner's insurance. Identify any areas where you may need additional coverage. Consider your personal belongings and their value. Create a detailed inventory of your home's contents. Next, visit the American Family Insurance website. Log into your account or create a new one if you don't have it yet. Navigate to the Homeowners Insurance section. Explore coverage options available to you. Read about additional endorsements or riders that might enhance your policy. If unsure, use the online chat feature to ask questions. Contact your agent if you prefer speaking with someone directly. Discuss your needs and ask for personalized recommendations. Consider bundling your homeowner's insurance with other policies for potential savings. Review any discounts available for your specific situation. Make sure to understand the terms of your deductible. Adjust your coverage limits if necessary to ensure adequate protection. Once you've made your adjustments, request a quote. Compare the new policy's details with your current coverage. If satisfied, proceed to finalize any changes with your agent. Keep a record of your updated policy documents for future reference. Finally, schedule periodic reviews of your coverage to keep it up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.